In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI image in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the site, start an image, write a clear prompt, and let the system do the heavy lifting for you, quickly and confidently. First, open the Perplexity website in your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works fine. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the generation doesn't stall midway. Once the homepage loads, you're in the right place to begin. Next, click Create Image. This option is designed to take you straight into image generation mode. If you don't immediately see it, look for a Create button or a similar option that includes image. The goal here is simply to enter the image creation workspace so you can provide your instructions. Now it's time to enter your prompt, the description of the image you want the AI to create. Think of the prompt as your creative brief. The clearer you are, the better the result. Describe the main subject, the setting, and any key details that matter to you. For example, instead of saying a cat, try a ginger cat sitting on a windowsill at sunrise, soft warm light, cozy mood. You can mention a style or vibe, like cinematic, watercolor, or hyper-realistic, and include details such as lighting, color palette, or background elements. Short, direct sentences or phrases work well. If something is essential, like the mood, the era, or a specific landmark, say it plainly. You don't need fancy formatting, just be specific and intentional with your words. When your prompt looks good, press enter. Then wait patiently while the image generates, depending on the complexity of your request and current server load. This can take a moment. During this time, avoid refreshing the page or clicking away. Let the system finish. You'll see your image appear once the process is complete. That's it. You've just created an AI image in Perplexity AI. If the result isn't quite what you imagined, don't worry. Small changes to your wording can make a big difference. Try adding one or two concrete details, clarifying the setting, or choosing a stronger style description, then run it again by following the same simple flow. Open the site, click, create image, enter your refined prompt, press enter, and wait. With practice, you'll find your own rhythm for writing prompts that consistently deliver the look you want. Have fun experimenting, and enjoy bringing your ideas to life with just a few well-chosen words.